So, how do you measure the success of your learning programs?
The beauty with measuring success, particularly when you start out with business-aligned objectives, really allows us to ensure that the outcomes that we're attempting to get, whether it's behavioral alignment or behavioral change, are aligned with what our business is measuring with respect to their key performance indexes. So it really means that we have one scorecard. To the extent that we're originating a learning program, we really want to ensure that we understand exactly what the business is looking to accomplish by virtue of that exercise, and ensuring that that is measurable. And our KPIs are the business KPIs. So really having pulled through as a result of the size of our organization and the law of large numbers, we can over time measure a learning effectiveness in a very empirical way that shows us that we're able to better serve our consumers and do that in a more regulatory compliant manner. And we believe by doing that, we continue to differentiate our organization in the face of many competitors that are doing very similar things than we're doing within our marketplaces.